This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the machine safe. Unplug it and remove the belt and outer covers so you can see the mechanisms. Once done, use your multimeter to verify power is absent and then inventory tools: Phillips, flathead, 10 mm socket, and lubricant. As you inspect, note the first visible failures: frayed straps, loose bolts, or signs of overheating. That focus tells you whether to proceed with mechanical fixes or electrical diagnosis. Make sure to document each issue for the next step. You now dig into the heart of the machine. Test the motor and controller by measuring continuity and voltage under a light load. This reveals intermittent electrical faults. At the same time, inspect pulleys, bearings, and belt tension. Worn bearings cause wobble and uneven pressure. Once identified, replace the bad components and clean electrical contacts. Apply dielectric grease to reduce future corrosion. As you work, realign drive components to factory tolerances so the waist training motion remains smooth. You finish by reassembling the unit. Reinstall the belt, replace covers, and torque fasteners to spec while ensuring electrical connectors seat fully. Once reassembled, run an empty calibration cycle and then a stepwise load test using safe weight increments to confirm smooth operation and correct tension. If a noise or error persists, isolate the fault. Swap in a known good motor or controller to see which component reproduces the issue. Make sure to log results and keep spare parts for repeat maintenance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.